Welcome to my channel. My name is Daryl. I'm 63 and I'm basically a do-it-yourselfer. I'm gonna go over various tools that I have in my garage and in my basement. I have some Craftsman, some Ryobi, some even other brands, but mostly Ryobi followed by Craftsman. They've served me well over the years as a do-it-yourselfer, but are they good enough for prime time? Back to my channel. Today I am going to review the Bauer 4.5-inch diamond turbo cup wheel. If you need the model number, it is 2061A-B4. Now, I bought this tool specifically for a job that I'm doing. I'm trying to get Thinset or mastic off of the floor after I remove tile. And I do have some other tools in that series on this job if you'd like to look at my other videos. I'm going to save you some aggravation, and I'm going to unpack this and then we'll rejoin the video. It was just about as much fun as grinding that stuff off. But I'll give you a close-up of the surface. This is a premium grinding wheel. It can be used wet or dry. I'm going to attempt it dry, but also I'm going to be wearing a respirator. And I've got a shroud that I'll do another video on showing it. That's going to go over my Ryobi tool. But for right now, let's just put this on this tool. It should screw on. Of course, you need to hold your lock if you're using this particular tool. And don't lose your arbor. So, there it is in action. And we'll rejoin in a little while and I'll show you this in action on the Thinset, so you can get an idea if it's worth it. Right now it is $34.95 at Harbor Freight. And of course, if you're an Inside Club member, Inside Track member, it was $24.95. So it's a really good deal. These wheels at Lowe's and Home Depot are about 60 bucks. So we'll know if it holds up to the test here shortly. Thinking that's probably the best $26 I've ever spent. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like these type of videos, please like and subscribe. Suggest a tool you might want to see. I have links in the comments. If you need the tool, use that link. You might save a few dollars. Also, it doesn't cost you anything, but it does help my channel and helps me provide this kind of content. Until the next video, y'all take care.